Hi, I'm Ed Kramasik, PBA bowler and AMF staff player since 1989. And today I want to talk about the cosmetics of bowling, the lane, what the dots mean, what the arrows mean. This way, when you come out and bowl, you'll exactly know where to stand, how to lay down the ball. A lot of people would come out to a bowling alley, they have no clue what the dots mean, what the lane's asking for, as far as dots, arrows, and I'm going to explain that to you. So we're going to go over the cosmetics of the lane right now. You have the dots and you have arrows. The dots is where people set up. This is called a setup area where you get ready to go bowl. So this is the approach. We're standing on the approach. Each dot is 5 boards. So if you wanted to stand 20, you'd be standing right here on the middle dot because you have 10 boards from the ball return. And then each one after that is 5 boards. So if you were standing 20, you'd be standing on the third dot. And if you stand on the third dot, now you're standing 20. Well, if you're standing 20, the lay down for any structure of bowlers, any individual bowler, is 7 boards. So if you're standing 20, that means when the ball comes out of your hand, as long as you walk straight up the foul line, it'll be 7 boards. So you'll be laying your ball down on 13, which is 3 boards left of the second arrow, which is the 10 board, and 3 is 13. Everybody's structure is 7 board to lay down. That's the basic rule of thumb. It does change if you drift a little, you walk a little crooked as you get into the foul line to release your ball. So just remember that the third dot is the 20 board, and if you want to play 13, you're going to stand 20 because of the 7 board lay down. If we move to board 25 and you're going to lay down, then you're not going to be hitting the spot you're looking to hit, which was 13 before. Because now I just moved my feet left to 25. So 25, my lay down is going to be 7 difference. So that means you're going to be rolling the ball over 18. 18, 7, 25. If I want to play 18, that's 3 boards left of the third arrow. Because like I said, the arrows and the dots cosmetically is the same. It's only 5 boards per spot. So that's how you know exactly your lay down for your ball and where you want to play on your shot. Give it a try, and I guarantee you'll have a lot more fun and shoot a lot more higher games. Thank you.